I'm Todd Matthews. It's at this point on Wednesdays we present Ask the Lawyer with Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured, answering questions submitted by you. I'll tell you how to submit a question in just a few minutes. In case you've ever been curious about something you'd like to get Bruce's expert opinion on, I'll tell you how to go about that. But first, would you please help me welcome Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Good morning, Bruce. How you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Not a little soggy, are you, from all the rainfall?
No.
And I know we need it. Listen, I'm not complaining. I know we need it.
We really do need it.
There are these situations that come up in which people get trouble they don't need coming into their lives. And this happens to be a great example in this email. You are the perfect person to dissect it and maybe tell us what you think. You ready to hear it?
I am ready, Todd.
Here we go with today's dilemma. My aunt was shopping at a big box store 2 days ago near Kings Highway when an employee pushing a heavy cart full of merchandise ran into her from behind, knocking her to the ground. She broke her hip and has been in the hospital since. The store manager told us they would handle all the medical bills, but my brother is concerned the store may try to deny her claim. My aunt lives on a small Social Security check. We have no idea how she's going to pay for the surgery and recovery, even though the manager is being very nice. Should we still consider contacting a lawyer? Excellent question. I mean, so often, we hear we're going to take care of you, and then things change over the course of days and weeks. So what do you make of this?
Well, it reminds me of the government, of someone who needs something from the government, and the government says, we will help you.
Right.
The manager is acting in good faith and wants the best for this lady, but he has no control over what's going to happen. It goes to their risk management department, and it's like dealing with an insurance company whose motto is, we never pay.
Yeah.
And there's much more involved than taking care of her medical bills. This lady was severely injured and is entitled to many different forms of compensation.
Okay.
Not only the medical bills she's incurring now, but the medical bills that she's going to incur in the future. Pain and suffering she has now, the pain and suffering she's going to have in the future.
Right.
Inconvenience that she has. Many, many elements of damages. And I could assure you that big box store isn't going to come and say, well, here's a check for $1 million. I want best for you.
Right.
They're going to fight her all the way, and she needs an experienced personal injury lawyer to help her.
She mentions, or they mentioned, that she has a broken hip, and you talked about pain and suffering. From my understanding, and God willing, I'll never figure this out firsthand, a broken hip and recovery is extremely painful. It's
extremely painful, and a broken hip in our elderly population is the number one cause of death.
Yeah.
Many people who have a broken hip die within 1 year after that incident.
Well, I mean,
this lady needs protection, and she needs to call a lawyer right away.
I mean, I as a layperson would say a little bit of kudos to the manager for stepping up and saying, we're going to take care of you. And he may have the best of intentions here, but like you said, very quickly, this is going to be completely out of his hands.
That's 100% correct, Todd.
All right. Well, you answered the question very directly. Should we still consider contacting a lawyer? Absolutely. Get a legal professional going on this immediately. Bruce, I want to thank you again for helping us out and helping us understand these things a little bit better. You really have been such a treasure over the last 10 years with your wisdom and your knowledge and your experience, and I thank you again.
Well, it's my pleasure, Ty. I appreciate your thanks, and I love to help people, and I love to answer these challenging questions.
And I'm sure we'll have another one for you next week.
Looking forward to it, Todd. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. Maybe you've got a question you've always wanted to ask the lawyer. That's fine. You can do so through our website. You just go there and put Bruce in the keyword search box. That makes it very easy to get right where you need to go. Or even better than that, I'll tell you what. Call the Port Charlotte office of Associates and Bruce L. Scheiner. They can help you out over the phone at 941-743-7777, 743-7777. And be sure to tell them that Todd Matthews sent you from Seaview 104.9.